5 minutes total. Is considered to be one of the most dangerous oil spills in the recent times. Now, over 3.2 million barrels of oil had leaked into the Gulf of Mexico. That is a big number. It was due to the improper capping of the mouth of the well, which was having a leaking valve. So due to this, the oil was continuously released in the water, and there was an explosion. After the explosion, the owner, the workers of Deepwater Horizon well and the government agencies, they came to know about the oil spill, that there was a leakage. So the rescue operations were started after that. They made efforts to control the spread of oil onto the beaches. Now, what happens? What are the effects of oil spill? First thing, it contaminates and pollutes the water body, whether it's a sea, a part of a sea or an ocean or a gulf or a river, whatever. It contaminates, because in the crude oil, apart from hydrocarbons, many other harmful chemicals are also present. So it contaminates and pollutes the water. Secondly, it kills the wildlife. Thirdly, it destroys the natural habitat of the area. It also contaminates the resources in the food chain because of presence of harmful chemicals. Because of biomagnification, it enters the food chain and reaches the human body also, causing irreparable loss. And then it also causes closure of economic activities like fishing, tourism, and navigation routes are all blocked. So these are the effects of oil spill. Now, in case of oil spill, we have a number of cleaning operations. Now, cleaning operation totally depends, the methods and the tool of this cleaning operation totally depends on weather conditions, means how is the weather in that area, amount of oil spilled, and the distance from the shore. Other than this, they also keep in consideration the type of birds and the animals that habitat in that area. Based on these factors, the cleaning operation is conducted in the areas where we have the oil spill. Amongst the important cleaning operations, the first one is booms. Booms actually is what? It is temporary floating barriers which is used to contain an oil spill. They are temporary floating barriers around the area. Suppose in an area the oil is spilled, so it starts flowing on the surface of the water, so they create a barrier, a floating barrier, so that it does not spread far and wide. Second one is skimmer. Skimmer is a device for recovering the spilled oil from the water surface by scoop method. Just like we can scoop it up, collect back the oil which has been spilled in that area. So that is skimmer. Then we use the sorbent method. What is this sorbent? Large sponges, they are used to absorb the oil from the surface of the water. Other than this, a very common practice in case of oil spill cleaning process is in situ burn. In situ burn means burning the spilled oil while it is floating. Because oil is lighter, we can set fire to it and cause burning of the oil so that it burns and finishes. And lastly, by washing off beaches. For this, we use either high pressure or low pressure hoses to wash away the beaches. So these are certain methods which are adopted for cleaning of the areas where we have the oil spill. I hope you all must have understood. You all can go through this again, the chapter. If you have any doubts, please contact me through the Frico app. Thank you, boys.